I think there is a there has to be sufficient planning for the CIO. The reason is there are multiple things. Mostly these days, earlier in the companies there are multiple departments, and technology is also one department of a support function. But these days, the technology or the digital, these respective functions are becoming the core. There are multiple companies without even much amount of the domain expertise and operational knowledge also using the technology skills. They have come and they have become the game changers in a lot of industries. So on, especially in this technology and digital perspective, there is lots of improvements and work is happening. Huge amount of shout for the projects. So actually one person handling it is a very tough job to me. So there has to be people, multiple people. There's multiple people in the department as well, but this is one of the factor which will come for the succession plan. Apart from this, irregular factors like cutting the cost of recruitment, or because if you internally, if people gets promoted, they would also feel very good for that stuff, and you also don't want to do the same job. If you're currently CIO or CTO, sooner or later you wanted to become CEO or something later. So you want to take something else as well, not just information, along with digital data analytics, other stuff also in your bucket, and then CIO can be taken care by someone else. So that also helps organization. And even the replacement cost is higher. If your internal, if your reportee becomes that and you takes up an higher challenge, then that's best thing. Even I think according to ERC also, research figures show that the number of people in leadership roles that plan to retire in the next few years is much higher than the number of people entering into the workforce. So you may end up recruiting someone who doesn't fit in also. That is something which we have to take note of it. And this may also mitigate risk of sudden leadership changes. While the people may be loyal and wanted to work, people may get better opportunities and you, but still people may want to be loyal and work, but they may not need not be working further for the personal reasons also. So sudden risk and also it can avoid. And continuity planning always helps to maintain for the board and shareholder trust, be it a listed company or even the company which is going to get listed.